Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are giving you an in-depth look at the Samsung Series 4 Dual Cook Smart Oven with Pyrolytic Cleaning, finished in sleek stainless steel. This isn't just an oven. It is a smart cooking solution designed to make your everyday life easier, more efficient, and a lot more enjoyable. At its heart is Samsung's groundbreaking dual cook flex technology. Imagine having the flexibility to split 76-liter extra large cavity into two separate cooking zones. That means you can roast a chicken in the bottom while baking cookies in the top with no transfer of flavors or smells. The flexible door lets you open either the whole oven or just the top half, so you only lose heat where you need access. Pair that with dual fans and you get perfectly even cooking every single time. And when you only need the top section, you'll be saving a lot energy, around 25% of energy, and with preheating that is up to 50% faster. This oven comes fully loaded with 10 multi-function cooking modes, giving you total control and versatility. You can choose from conventional heating, convention, eco convention, button heat plus convention, top heat plus convention, large grill, eco grill, fan grill, and the Samsung's innovative sous vide, which locks in moisture for tender restaurant quality meals. Control is intuitive and stylish due to touch controls and retractable dials and a clear LED display with a programmable timer. This oven even connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and the Samsung's SmartThings app, where you can explore guided recipes, plan weekly meals, or monitor your oven remotely, whether you are on iOS or Android. Cleaning of this oven is easier too. The oven is equipped with catalytic linears that breaks down grease as you cook. With Pyrolytic Cleaning, tough residues are burned off at high heat, leaving just a fine ash you can wipe away. Safety and efficiency are built in. You will find a cool touch double glazed door, a child safety lock, and an A+ energy rating that makes this oven efficient to run without sacrificing performance. On the technical side, the oven measures 596mm high, 595mm wide, and 550 deep, fitting neatly into standard recessed dimensions. It requires a professional installation to a 16 amp hardwired circuit delivering 3.95 kilowatts of power, and you receive 2 trays, a wire rack, 3 shelves, a dual cooker divider, and of course Samsung's 5-year manufacturer's guarantee when you register. With its modern design, intelligent features, and unmatched flexibility, the Samsung Series 4 Dual Cook Smart Oven is perfect for busy households, passionate bakers, or anyone who wants to bring the future of cooking into their home. Upgrade your kitchen today with Samsung's innovation. You will find the purchase link in description to order directly from my Amazon store. This oven deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.